Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, heading down the eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's running like a never before. Now there's a speed zone ahead, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got me 10 forward gears and the Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy and a White. I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some of the guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICCs are checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and that logbook is way behind. Oh, but nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales all right. 6 days on the road and now we're gonna make it home tonight. Well, my rig's a little low, but that don't mean it's slow.